Did you know that woodpeckers hoard acorns? Wonderful, isn't it? Welcome back to the show. The Eurasian penduline tit or European penduline tit, Remiz pendulinus, is a passerine bird of the genus Remiz. It is relatively widespread throughout the western Palearctic. It is migratory in the northern part of its range but resident in the southern part. It builds an elaborate hanging nest, formerly used in Central Europe as children's slippers. This is a small tit, with a finely pointed bill and a relatively long tail. The head is light grey with a black mask through the eye. The back is chestnut brown. The sexes are very similar in appearance, but the male has a broader mask and a more rufous back. The eggs are laid from end of April to the beginning of July. The nest is suspended from thin long branches of trees such as willow, elm or birch, often over water. The nest can also sometimes be suspended between 2 or 3 reeds only a meter or so above the water. The nest is a large free-hanging pouch-shaped structure. It is made of plant fibres, grass, hair and wool with an entrance tube at one side. Both sexes contribute to the construction, which takes around 20 days. Eggs are laid daily. The clutch contains 6 dark-eyed white eggs. Incubation starts after the last egg is laid and lasts for 14 days. The eggs are incubated by either the male or more usually the female, but not by both. The hatching is synchronous. The young are cared for by either the male or the female but rarely by both parents. The nestlings are fed larval insects and spiders. The nestlings fledge at around 22 days of age. The parents will sometimes attempt to raise a second brood, but this is rarely successful. The Eurasian penduline tit usually eats insects and spiders but will also eat seeds such as those from the willow. It generally searches for food in trees but will also forage in reeds where it will take insects from the stem as well as the seed head. It uses one foot to cling to the reed and the other to pull out clumps of seeds from the head. I am very glad that you have spent some time for these wonderful animals. Keep it up. See you pretty soon.